Hi guys, welcome back to our vlogs. I have taken this video like over 3 times already and I cannot get it right, so I hope I get it right this time. I've been like talking way too much in the other one, so I hope I talk less, but I'm talking a lot right now. But anyways, we haven't been vlogging for like the past while, like maybe 4 or 5 months. That's because we were just busy. We've just been really busy. We did have a vlog when Beyonce came here, just because like she was here, and I really wanted that like uploaded right away because I wanted to watch it over and over. But yeah, so some life updates with us is I've been working way too much, to the point that I'm like burnt out right now. Well, not so burnt out, but just like almost. I've been working. I think if you've been watching us for like some time now, or if you watched all of our other videos, I will work 2 jobs. One job is just a part-time job. It's very casual, so it's not really even part-time. It's just whenever they need another person to fill in for someone who called in sick or whatever. And for the past 3 months, there was just like I'm just filling in for the person that is not there at the moment, or the person that like left. I don't know, not wanting to get into details. That's just what happened. I'm just filling in. And lately, for the past like, it's kind of okay now because it's not really too much of a schedule. But initially, like 3 months ago, I was working 60-70 hours per week because it was like a full-time Tuesday to Saturday, 4 to 8, 4 to midnight kind of thing. And then like my other job was clearly in the morning. So it's been exhausting and a lot. So yeah, that's why we haven't really been vlogging. Aside from that, everything's been kind of chill. There are other stuff, like personal stuff that has happened that we're not really going to get into because we don't want to. And but anyways, we're gonna continue on to vlog for the next little while, maybe for the rest of our lives, because we were watching our vlogs like just recently, and it was really nice to just like rewatch everything that happened last year, and we want to be able to do that for the years coming because life is so busy, so it's just so fast. And we want to just keep these in a space, so hopefully YouTube will not disappear later on, because I really do not want to lose any memory, and I want to keep reliving these as much as I can, and I'm sure the cat also feels the same. But anyways, lots of things are going to be happening for the next couple of years, I guess. There's just, we were planning our lives, and there's just a lot planned. So we have a lot of updates to tell you, other than like our excuses on why we're not vlogging. We also have house updates. Still live in the same place, but there's just been lots of changes in the space because it's been a while. And yeah, the last time that we had a flood in here, we will update you, but not in this vlog. So this vlog is going to be about Pot's birthday that happened in May, so like 6 months ago. It's been a while, and I'm so sorry, but yeah, so let's go. Sorry, there's like an ambulance passing by. Okay, it's gone now. It's gone. Anyways, so yeah, Pot's birthday. The day before Pot's birthday party, we went to Angelo's place to just help with the decorations. We blew up balloons. We formed the balloons into like this thing. I don't know what it's called, but like we put the balloons together to make it nice. So for the next day, you just have to like wake up and then put it into the space where we're gonna be holding the party at. Alright, we are setting up for Pot's birthday, and this is how it looks like before we this one's right here, this one is over there, this one is over here. We're gonna take this one out. Okay, come on.
Ganda ba, Tito?
Maganda po ba?
Ganda.
Maganda.
Naku, iba-vlog mo yan eh.
Hindi, tinatanong ka lang naman namin, tita.
Siyempre maganda.
Ah.
Happy birthday, Pot.
Happy birthday, Pot.
Check 1, 2. Hey, taking time out of your busy schedules, flying in from Winnipeg, Calgary, San Diego, what else? California, LA, sir. But yeah, thank you. Okay. Yeah, so thank you guys for coming.
From BC?
So yeah, thank you for coming through and appreciate you guys being here with us. Happy birthday. Alright.
Anong cake?
Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
One, two.
Yay!